Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I paint a bunch of roses in a flower pot. The special thing about the flower pot is I'm going to use a rake brush to show you how I create interesting textures on the pot. The brushes that I'm using today are from KINGART brand and the watercolors are from MeiLiang. So I'm using a round brush to paint these roses. And there's another detailed video that I did a couple of weeks ago where I used a tri-wedge brush to paint roses. I'll leave a link to that video also in the description below. I'm using a combination of scarlet and permanent red for these roses, but you're free to use whatever colors you want. And for the leaves, I'm using a combination of hooker's green and olive green. For the filler flowers, I'll be using a mix of cornflower blue and deep purple. I'll paint the first layer of the pot in natural yellow using this size 8 round brush. Now I'll show you how I create this interesting texture in the pot using this rake brush. I'm using dark brown and indigo to create vertical lines and horizontal lines. Some are continuous and some are broken. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do give this a try and share your work with me on Instagram at simply.seema. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.